Hi guys, with regards to TISNET 2022, three questions are coming up. Number one, if I start my preparation now, can I crack it? This is what the main question. Second is nothing but what should be my score target? How much I need to score for the courses, whichever courses we are targeting for. And third is nothing but how to complete the syllabus. Basically, what should be the complete preparation roadmap. So let's answer one by one all the question, guys. Before that, TIS relay batch we have launched. To join the batch, you can contact our team here and they will give the complete information with regards to the batch. So first question, I can crack it or not if I start my preparation now? Definitely you can crack it, guys, undoubtedly. Provided you should have a thorough information about the syllabus part with regards to GK, maths, logic, English. GK, static and current affairs, you need to work. 1 year GK current affairs is important, and static part also you have to take care. In terms of the maths, arithmetic followed by the DI, then your geometry and mensuration. These are the major important topic which carry high weightage in your TISNET exam. After that, number system and algebra. In English, vocab, grammar and RC. So for vocab, you can work on the Word Power Made Easy book. It is a good book in the market for the vocab. And for grammar, on Maneuver portal there are 100 rules and the videos given. Just go through it, that is sufficient. Those are the most frequently types of the question which comes in the exam. After that, RC you have to work on daily basis. 1 to 2 hours you have to practice. In addition to this, you have to read newspaper on daily basis. And lastly, logical reasoning, don't need to worry. Approximate 3 to 4 question comes from this area. Then to how we can complete this area, you have to work on the traditional logic, critical and the analytical part. Alright. So second question, what should be my ideal score target? Your score target has to be 80 plus, guys, undoubtedly. Whichever courses or the campuses you are targeting, whether you are targeting for the social work, health and labor study, health system or the development study, habitat study, जो भी कोर्स के लिए आप टारगेट करो, चाहे उसका कट ऑफ 50 हो, 60 हो, 70 हो, doesn't matter. Our target has to be 80 plus. So there is a good quote, guys, or the proverb you can say, लड़ाई जो है बराबरी वालों के साथ की जाती है. बट यहाँ पे इसको चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज अगर आप कोर्स वर्सेस कट ऑफ ये माइंडसेट लेके प्रिपेयर करोगे तो डेफिनेटली स्कोर कम आएगा आपका. तो अगर लड़ाई जीतनी है तो एक स्टेप ऊपर थोड़ा पावरफुल होके प्रिपेयर करोगे, पावरफुल होके लड़ोगे तो डेफिनेटली विन विन सिचुएशन होगी अपनी. सेम वे जो भी कोर्स आप टारगेट कर रहे हो उसका कट ऑफ अगर 50 है, 60 है, डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट. थिंक मुझे 80 प्लस लेके आना है. अगर हाई स्कोर लेके चलोगे, हाई टारगेट लेके चलोगे, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द कोर्स विच यू आर सीकिंग फॉर. सो ऑलवेज बी लाइक दिल मांगे मोर एंड कीप योर हाई टारगेट. 80 प्लस का स्कोर लेके चलो. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ टू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस एंड व्हाट शुड बी माई preparation roadmap. So for this, don't need to take any kind of attention. If you have joined TIS relay batch, so kindly contact our team here and join the TIS relay batch. In my first 2 session only, I give you the complete overview and how to go about the section by section, basically strategy part with regards to all the section. If you are weak in maths, then also don't need to worry. Basic से maths आपका चालू होगा. And yeah, once you join the batch, do take the access of all the video lectures, handouts, ebooks, mock tests and start your preparation. So if you want to be the part of this relay batch, kindly contact our team here. Else Google form का link मैंने description में दिया हुआ है. Kindly fill your details. Our team will get back to you. So let's crack TISNET 2022 all together. All the very best. Thank you.